I told them if one more drunk idiot grabs my ass like it's part of the drink special, I'm gonna clock someone with the mic stand. And yet, here we are. And what the heck is that? That rattling? That's not a loose pipe. What on earth? Is that a chain? Wait, are you... Oh no. Oh no, you've got to be kidding me. Who the heck keeps a crappy excuse for a doghouse on a fire escape? In the rain too. And chains them like there's some reject Halloween prop they forgot to pack away. Hey little guy. Oh, are you okay? Are you okay? Oh, look at you. You're soaked, shivering even. Oh, you look like a wet cotton ball with trauma issues. Who did this to you? Who did this to you? Was someone blind and heartless, I'll bet. Sorry. Not exactly in the best mood either. Work was not easy on me. Again, big surprise, right? Though I guess I shouldn't be dumping that on you. You've had the worst night. Life. Well, you're not growling. That's a good sign. Even letting me pet you. You don't mind the rings on my hand, do you? Brave little thing. All just too cold to care. Still, I'm not gonna pretend I'm some kind of savior or anything. I mean, I work nights. I barely sleep. I eat cereal with chopsticks sometimes because I refuse to wash forks. Well, spoons. Spoons, yes, spoons. And don't even get me started on my upstairs neighbour. Last week he asked me, if I could keep the volume down. Me, the girl who listens to ambient music, ambient doom metal on headphones. But I suppose I'd still be better company than this alley. At least at my place. Loneliness comes with a mattress and roof. You're a good little puppy, aren't you? You haven't even flinched once at my voice. Most people think I sound like a cartoon villain or depressed vampire. But not you. You're just looking up at me like I make perfect sense. Maybe I do. Maybe we're just fluent in the same kind of tired. Alright, here's the thing. I shouldn't bring you home. I really shouldn't. I don't even know if you're potty trained or if you eat carpet or if you got the emotional baggage of a soap opera protagonist. But it's raining, you're cold, and something tells me if I walk away from you tonight, I'm gonna hear that chain rattling in my head every single time I try to sleep. Plus, I'm a sucker for lost causes. It's kind of my aesthetic. Come on, let's get you out of here before I change my mind. Oh my goodness, your light. Like, scary light. Oh, have you eaten anything? Oh, we'll fix that. Lonely at my place is still better than lonely here. Maybe we'll figure each other out. I mean, we already understand each other, don't we? You don't mind my accent, or my makeup, or my bad jokes. You're not asking me to be happier than I am. That's rare. You just let me talk. And I talk a lot when I'm nervous. So, thanks, I guess. Let's call it even. I'll give you somewhere to stay, and you just let me feel like I'm not the only stray walking these streets.